Strong winds return to LA, threatening wildfire progress. Santa Ana winds are returning, posing a serious threat to wildfire containment efforts in LA. Forecasts predict winds of 45 to 70 miles per hour, raising concerns for communities affected by fires. These powerful winds could reverse progress made in battling deadly wildfires across neighborhoods. Tens of thousands have already been evacuated, facing uncertainty as conditions worsen again. Residents must stay alert, as these winds create a dangerous situation amid ongoing fire threats. Stay informed and stay safe during these challenging times.